What's going on YouTube, man? Quick question for y'all. Did y'all know that you can get suppressor sent to your door? Man, if you anything like me, man, you don't keep up with this, man, but apparently you can real deal get suppressor sent to your door. Man, when Griffin Armament told me about this, man, I thought that was too good to be true. So you know what I did? I put it to the test. Man, this is your one-stop, step-by-step guide as to how to get suppressor sent to your door. So all I ask is that you walk with me to the end of the video so that you can get all the information you need to get this right on your doorstep. Once again, shout out to Griffin Armament, man. They made this such an easy process. First and foremost, the suppressor that I got was the Bushwhacker 36. I'm gonna put a link down below so y'all can know exactly what it is, what you put it on, what you can't put it on, etc, etc, etc. But like always, if you want more information, y'all can hit me up on Instagram at ArmedAndBlack. Hit me up in the comment section. Find me on Facebook, Twitter, X, wherever it is that I'm on. Just get in contact with your boy. But I can't show you the suppressor without showing y'all what I'm putting it on, man. If you don't know what this is, man, this is Griffin Armament's MK2 chambered in 9mm. Fresh out the box, it come with ambidextrous everything. And they even got their own pop-up sights, man. Griffin Armament doing it all, from the pop-up sights to the custom handguards to the custom guns, period. They got their Griffin logo stippled right there on the side. You know, a little razzle dazzle. They come with a dope, smooth charger handle. It's all about the little fine details with a customized ergonomic grip and paddles every damn well for easy access. But I know at first glance I looked at this firearm and was like, damn, what the hell is the barrel? Which brings me back to the suppressor. The end of the barrel is all the way back here. But when we go ahead and slap that suppressor on, it's gonna look normal, I promise. Let me go ahead and go off camera and put this thing together real quick so y'all have a better understanding of how this thing's supposed to look. There you have it, man. Y'all let me know in the comments how this look to y'all. Yes, sir, ski. Now that y'all gotta look at that, let's go ahead and get into the meat and potatoes so y'all can see exactly how this was sent straight to my door. Now, so the first step to your door program is you gotta buy the suppressor. So I went on the website, went on ahead and copped the Bushwhacker 36. At checkout, I scrolled down and clicked on the to your door program. Then I paid for the damn thing. Now, right after checkout, the first thing they ask you to do is go over to Capital Armament so that you go ahead and purchase the tax stamp. You gotta pay that $200 tax stamp. Ain't no way around it. Now, after you pay for the tax stamp with Capital Armament, they go ahead and send that over to Griffin Armament. Now, before you begin your ATF paperwork, the first thing you gotta do is go get your fingerprints done. Now, there's two ways you can get this done. If you like me, you want it quick, simple, easy. I'm a 90s baby. We need everything digital. I got an email from Capital Armory. They sent out instructions on how I can set up my appointment to go get my fingerprints done digitally. I ended up choosing a UPS location that allowed me to do so. It was super easy. I went, sat in a little booth, filled out some information, did my own fingerprints. And once I was done, I went on ahead and got that file sent off to my email. And now I got it forever, just in case I want to go ahead and get me another suppressor. Now, for all my old school folks, my dinosaurs out there, man, if you don't want to deal with all the technology, Griffin Armament was kind enough to send out a whole fingerprint kit, man. I'm talking about the real deal. This thing say FBI at the top. But nah, man, not only do they send you out the instructions on how to do this properly, they also send you out a couple of these just in case you mess up. And they also send the ink so that you can go ahead and roll that fingerprint on this paper. Right when you're done, you send this over to Griffin Armament and they go ahead and do everything else as far as sending it to ATF or Capital Army or whichever one. After you go ahead and get your fingerprints and get that sent off, Capital Army asks you to create an account. Once you create the account, it lists all the steps in order that you need to do in order to finish this process. They hold your hand every step of the way. Now, the next thing they had me fill out was some type of paper with a long ass number at the top. You know the paperwork that you got to fill out when you go ahead and you want to transfer a firearm? You know the one that asks you all those crazy ass questions? Did you do this? Did you do that? Did you unallow somebody? Are you a felon? Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, man, that paperwork. The next step is that they go ahead and send it off to the ATF so that they can approve the form. Once they approve the form, which took about 1 day for me, ain't that crazy? Remember back in the days when it used to take you a year to get your suppressor approved? We ain't waiting a year no more, man. 1 day? Thank God for change. But after the ATF approved my form, man, we had to notify the local sheriff department or the local police department. Remember, the suppressor is coming straight to your door. You know they had to tell the popos. They had to tell the popos in order for them to go ahead and have UPS ship it right to you. On the Capital Army website, they allow you to choose a Clio. I don't know what that stands for. I'm too lazy to go ahead and look it up. But they have you look for a specific Clio that's close in your neighborhood or your county or whatever. Then they go ahead and send the paperwork to them so that they can sign off on it. Now, once the local police department and the sheriffs or whoever signs off on it, signs it, and Capital Army makes you wait 7 days before they ship it off to you. All in all, so far, those 3 parts took me 2.5 weeks. It took the Clio 2 days to look at it and sign the paperwork, and after that, I had to wait 7 days. After 7 days, they shipped it to you, boy. Now, the actual shipment took 2 days. And once it's shipped to you, you have to be home so that you can sign off on it. They can't leave a suppressor on your door. So I was home, I signed for it, and voila. I had a brand new suppressor in less than a month. Man, I couldn't believe it, man. Once again, I want to thank Griffin Armament, man. Not only for sending me a dope-ass suppressor, but for making this whole process as easy as possible. Nonetheless, there you go, the meat and potatoes, man. The first look at the firearm, the first look at the suppressor, the whole instructions on how to get this suppressor sent out to your doorstep. And if you watched already to the end, I just want to let you know I really appreciate you, man. Be on the lookout for my shorts because I'm definitely going to be putting this thing through the ringer. Shout out to Griffin Armament, man. They gave me my first 9mm AR pistol with that on it, man. I hope this video was useful for y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Love.